Hello, Bryan Middle High School. Today is Tuesday, March 20th.
Attention students, if you are somebody who likes to explore the different cultures of the world, the Rotary Club is sponsoring a World Community Workshop that will study history, customs, economic, and political issues of Vietnam, exploring the past, experiencing the now.
The event will be held at the Defiance College from Thursday, May 10th to Saturday, May 12th. If you are interested in expanding your cultural knowledge in a world that is rapidly diversifying, please see Mr. Niese by Friday, March 23rd to apply.
Drivers, please remember when pedestrians are in the crosswalks, you must yield and/or stop for them. You are not permitted to roll through crosswalks as pedestrians are walking through or exiting the crosswalk.
Tickets are on sale in the athletic office for the 35th annual Four-County All-Star Cage Classic to be played on Friday, April 6th at Bryan High School. From our school, Allye Minor, Sidney Lamberson, Zhane, Cupp, and Peyton Lamberson will be playing. Tickets are available for $5 and all proceeds go to the Special Olympics.
There will be a slam dunk contest and a three-point shoot-off contest held between the girls and the boys All-Star Games. Come watch the fun. Buy your tickets early, support our players and Special Olympics.
Don't forget to order your Ike t-shirt by this Sunday. The website can be seen here. There are 2 designs to choose from and there are youth and adult shirts available. Please support Ike.
If you are a scholar athlete and have not yet picked up your t-shirt this year, stop in the athletic department and pick one up. You get one a year.
If you are a freshman or a first-year athlete in a spring sport, please stop in the athletic office and pick up your sticker and sign.
Today is Decade Day or Professional Day. Tomorrow is Twin Day. Yearbook question of the day. What is the BMS yearbook called?